it's very important for you to look for the strongest stocks, look at the daily chart, look at the pattern, and then you come to the market atlas. So you start from the macro, see what's the overall market condition, what's the daily chart, what's the pattern on the 5 minutes compared to the VWAP, what's the pattern on 1 minute, and then with the help of market atlas, you pinpoint the exact entry, you pinpoint the profit target, and you adjust your trade management as you go through the trade. And this recording cannot be more clear, cannot be easier to understand for scalpers and day traders who want to get 16% on a stock like SMCI or 10% like PLTR.
All right, guys, I had two amazing trades on PLTR and SMCI, over $100,000 profit. And the beauty of this recap is I actually recorded my screen. So you can actually see my live trade while I executed that. And I walk you through the thought process, how I find them, how did I find the levels, execute and manage the trades, and I add it to my position. $100,000 is a lot of money, but it's compared to my capital, it's about 1% profit of my account. But the most important part is that you learn the step-by-step process, the anatomy of a good trade, that how to find these trading opportunities and how to execute them and manage them and capitalize on them. Watch my live screen recording as well, so you can actually see exactly when and how and why I traded. I hope you enjoyed this recap. Leave me in the comment if you have any questions.
All right, guys, PLTR 10% move. And how do we actually got that? Is something that I'm going to step by step to show you in this recap. And it's as a matter of fact, I have the live recording that exactly I traded before entering this amazing trade that we did today in the chat room. PLTR from 147 all the way up to above 157. So I have the live recording. I'm going to show it to you. But before that, just quickly show you the overall view of the PLTR, the trades that we did. And it was a $100,000, $102,000 profit for me. That most part of it came from PLTR. And then SMCI was another scalp, very similar strategy. And I also had this position of the short on Tesla, on Microsoft, that actually I covered it. I specifically covered it so this actually day become a $100,000 day. Otherwise, I would have let it go for a couple of more $1,000s, but I just covered it to get that $100,000 because the combination of these two was about $92,000. And I did sold Tesla puts and Hood puts for next week, which hopefully those ones are going to give me another $30,000-$40,000, which I'm going to go walk you through next week through our recaps. But let's go through the PLTR and SMCI. So PLTR on a daily chart was really choppy. We discussed that in the chat room, that it's not really something that we really want to spend some time on it in the last couple of weeks. But yesterday had a really, really massive move and then gapped up significantly today, breaking through these levels that we had on a daily chart. This level was a big level, this level was a big level, and this level was a big level. And as you see right now, exactly as of now, in the post-market close exactly at this level. So the daily chart is very important. So you have to put this into the perspective of the daily chart. Okay, what are we compared to the daily chart? So these levels that we're having, and we're a really nice massive breakout, a continuation day, and can we capitalize on this massive move or not? So again, yesterday was a really, really nice run. So we know it. I had it on my radar. Already it was gapping up this morning toward 146. And that's what I wanted to see if I can get a clean, nice breakout toward 157. And I do have the recording for that. It's very similar to trade was SMCI. SMCI, again, it was really sold off below $20. Came up massive day yesterday and then popped up today. And again, very, very big daily chart. So it's very important to know where the price is into the daily chart and where are you trading compared to the daily chart. So now let's go through the trades that we did step by step. So PLTR was on my radar. So in the pre-market was trading around 148, sold off at the open, quickly came back up. This is something that we call it a bullish engulfing pattern. So it was a really, really, really nice squeeze. I went long with a heavy size, and we were hoping to get the breakout of this high of the pre-market at around 148.60. So what we did, as soon as we got the breakout, we got the confirmation and the market atlas with the orders stacking up higher and higher, and I have the recording to show it to you. So I added more heavy on this position, and as we saw this big confirmation at the market atlas, the orders are stacking up, which is the most important tool that you need for day trading, scalping. The big massive move started, and as you see, I partialed and I added two more times because we had very clear order at $153. And as you see, continued went higher and higher, and then I go switch into the 2-minute chart or 5-minute chart. Became a very massive 10% squeeze. That is amazing for this order flow and this liquidity and this price that we're having. Now SMCI, it's a very similar situation, but SMCI have jumped in a little bit later. So as you see, the 5-minute opening range breakout ready. Very nice, very bullish candlestick above the VWAP. The most important part is that you have to be above the VWAP. So you have this 5-minute opening range breakout. You go long heavy at 45.80, add more on the 47, all the way up to 48.20. So that's again a very, very nice move. Obviously a smaller share size because I didn't get a better entry on PLTR, and I had more, confirmation on PLTR. And now let's take a look at, the 1-minute chart and see what we did. So really popped up very nicely, hold the VWAP. So you went long heavy on the, live in the chat room. I'll show you the live trading recording right now in a minute, and then really move up. And again, with the help of market FS, you really, really get these big orders. Now let's take a look at the recording that I did for the day and see how we actually made these two amazing trades live in action. So this is my screen, as you see, and I would like to walk you through what I'm seeing. Right now, the market just opened at 9:30, and I'm really looking for, I'm like a hunter. I'm really looking for, see what's happening. I'm looking at the market atlas. I'm looking at the chart, constantly changing and see what is happening right now. I see MU's gapping up 4% and has a big order here. I'm trying to see if we can get an entry on MU or not. I don't like it because it just have this big distance from the VWAP, even though we have this big order. So I really don't like the MU right now because it's really extended from volume weighted average price. And it's already up 4%. I'm trying to switch, going to different tickers. I'm checking out Intel and see if Intel can give us something. I see the big order on Intel. Again, you're always on the hunt to look into, see what is the better trading opportunity. And I kind of don't like MU anymore because now it's just popping down. So now I'm switching to PLTR and Intel. So see Intel, I see the Intel is, showing this really big, beautiful order at 130. I'm trying to see if it can, would be tradable or not. And now I look at also the SPY, and SPY is slowly getting a strength. So as you see, and I'm kind of like the Intel, but, I decided to go and check out PLTR. So I didn't have even PLTR here on my market atlas. I typed it in and I saw the big order at 150, and I saw that it's really squeezing above the 150. So this is the moment this is the very important moment that I decided to, this is a really good candidate because 150 is a big order, and I decided to go long heavy, added multiple times. This one is a little bit of a faster speed, the recording. So now we're making this 1 minute, bullish engulfing, 1 minute opening range breakout. And, I'm checking now, setting up my market atlas, and you see, the thing is really, really nice that, the orders are going toward the 150. So that is the confirmation for me to stay in the trade. So really 150 is an area that, the orders are keep adding up. So I really like that. And we have the higher pre-market. I kind of like the higher pre-market for the breakout, and see potentially maybe we can add for the higher pre-market. So here I'm taking a screenshot for the chat room because the educational using the market atlas is very important for me. So I'm going to do this at 2 times the speed right now. So this is a 2 times speed. So I'm really looking at, see, the price is really moving. There's no reason for me to partial. I started actually adding more because I see the orders are really still at 150. I quickly check the daily chart to make sure that where am I in the daily chart. And see, that's very important to switch into the time frame to the daily chart. And check market atlas again. The orders are very, very clear toward 150. That's why I added very, very heavy size on that. You can see the orders actually, on the dust as well, sometimes on the liquidity. And then that's the moment that I think 149.57 was a daily level that I was hoping to start partialing around here. And now we're going, and this is the speed is 2 times faster. So you see the clock is also moving a little bit faster. So, and that's, very clear for me that PLTR is going to go to 150. The price is very bullish, that we are above the VWAP. I have a really, really good entry. For me, it's really important to be right now very heavy, even very aggressive, and excited to really get this trade. So I'm going to go a little bit faster here so you guys can see. So at 9:35, so as you see, the price is, trying to struggle at 149.50. Still, the order at market atlas is still there. And, I really want to see. There you go. So as soon as it break out toward 150, so this is the one that you see, the order broke toward the 150, I actually added back to my position, because what I saw is that now the orders are stacking up towards 150, and I really want to hope to capitalize on this. I look at the S&P 500. The SPY is also, bullish, is moving up. So for me, this is a really good sign to be a stay in the third. So now, as you see, I zoomed out 151. The orders are really stacking up toward 151. Is a very bullish pattern. So that's exactly what I wanted to stay very, very strong on that. And so again, 151 order. I'm gonna drag it a little bit here. So now I look at the SMCI. So I want to see the SMCI. So let me show you again 153. So you see the order at 152 got filled and 153. I checked a couple of other stocks. Hood was a strong, Microsoft was a strong, but you don't want to be in everything, but you want to really look at other stuff. And now the SMCI came to my attention. People mentioned that, and I see big orders at 48. The SMCI trades happened a little bit earlier. So at 9:35. So I was already in SMCI. So I was managing these two at the same time. But SMCI is also very similar. So big order at 49, 48 is very clear. There's nothing to the downside. There's no big order to the downside. So it's very clear to just keep adding to your position significantly, and to see I already have the order at 48. My order is already in the book, waiting for that. And see the price is just, you see the big order, you can even see it here. It's going to go toward the 48. So very, very beautiful, very nice trade all the way up towards the 48. And as you see, this is a faster speed that we're trading. So I got filled at 48 and continuously pushing it. I'm just looking at the service now. Service now was another opportunity that we called it at 120. The order is very clear on Market Atlas at 120. We really wanted to get the breakout of the 120. And, I didn't trade that because I was really happy. PLTR, this is the place that I added to my position because I saw the big order at 153. So again, do you see how I switch time frames? Sometimes I switch the tickers because you are a hunter. You're really on the hunt of a really good trading strategy. So there you go. So, look at this. I put the order at 153. SMCI continued going higher, and PLTR switching back to PLTR, taking a screenshot for the chat room to people can see that. And 154 is a big order. And that's really the professional trading. Again, boom, 154. And now the orders are back to 155. So again, you're very strong in this very big position, and you look at Market Atlas is very clear. Everything is ready for you for a big breakout. These are the days that you have to go, millions of dollars in the position in there, because this is really working well for you. This is a big short squeeze. 155 is getting filled. And boom, you see how it went through 155. Boom, I have the recording, minute by minute. This is the position that I'm showing to everybody. PLTR and SMCI was really, really nice. And I still had the Microsoft position open. You see in that time, the only reason that I closed the Microsoft position is because I wanted to get a 6-figure day. And that's it. I used to make that. And then I pretty much closed all of my position, same as SMCI. SMCI was also a really nice trade. So to recap, guys, it's very important for you to look for the strongest stocks, look at the daily chart, look at the pattern, and then you come to the Market Atlas. So you start from the macro, see what's the overall market condition, what's the daily chart, what's the pattern on the 5 minutes compared to the VWAP, what's the pattern on 1 minute, and then with the help of Market Atlas, you pinpoint the exact entry, you pinpoint the profit target, and you adjust your trade management as you go through the trade. And this recording cannot be more clear, cannot be easier to understand for scalpers and day traders who want to get 16% on a stock like SMCI or 10% like PLTR. So if you enjoyed this recap, I really hope that you let me know in the comments. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have in the YouTube. Thanks for watching, guys.